Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Dmitry here. So today in this video we'll talk about Plantronics headset. We will go from the point of view of technical perspective and how it sounds like, how it feels like, and what the capabilities and whether you should get it or not. So stay tuned and let's get started. So let's go. So guys, in this video we were talking about this Plantronics headset right here. So yep, you can wear it like this, and so it's a pretty good deal. It's pretty comfortable. It feels good with the ears, and you got a cushion right here, so a little bit. So it's pretty nice deal. You feel comfortable. Sometimes in the summer, for example, that's what I don't like about it. Sometimes it's just when it gets hot or whatever, so it gets sweaty here and stuff like that because of the layer of leather here. But overall, the sound and everything else is pretty good. The charge, for example, for the charge itself, it holds about 9 hours. So also, although you cannot adjust both of those separately, you can use this mono and not stereo, I guess, but the regular headset. It's just a regular headset. There's nothing special feature. Although there is a few options that are actually really good with this headset. So what I like about it is that when you connect this headset to the computer and to the phone, it goes to you can hold those two connections together. So for example, if you watch some entertainment movie or whatever, YouTube on the computer, you can also connect it to the phone, and for example, the phone, during the time that you watch it or whatever, the phone comes in or the phone call comes in, and then it automatically switches to the phone call and takes a priority, so you don't, for example, you don't miss the call in that sense. So it goes calls, you call music, and you know, sometimes if it's a preset contact, it will tell you who is calling and everything like that. So pretty nice feature. Overall, I like it. Like I said, it's holding about 8 hours of our call. So there's also so you can use this button right here. It's a little bit different. So on one side, it's actually enables the feature for the call, so you can pick it up and then it just it switches automatically, and when you click it, it will actually pick up the phone. So which is pretty good. So on the other side, you have a volume here on the side right here. It says volume here, and also you have play icons here, and then fast forward and go backwards, pause and play right here. So on the other side, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah, this is one side right here, the play button on stuff, and this is the button that I was talking about, the phone. So also, so here's, you guys can see the mic, so it goes both ways, left and right. You can also see there's a little button right here, the red one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you click it, it mutes the mic. So for example, and which another neat feature, which I will talk about a little bit later, this can mute or whatever if you're using Skype, for example, which is no longer the case right now because it's 2021 actually, and so if you guys switch to Teams and stuff like that, so that would also work with Teams. So it's pretty neat that it actually recognizes and does stuff that it does. So one thing though, what I noticed throughout like 2 years of using that headset with my Mac computer here, so I usually connect, because of the new outlets, that the new USBs, so they have, so that headset has a regular USB, well, as a charging point. Well, actually, I will tell you about receiver a little bit later. So this is the charger right here. So it looks like this on the top. So you put the headset right here. Actually, let me see. Okay, put like headsets right here. So it usually looks like that. It charges, so it will show you 4, I think, or 3 blue dots when it's charging. And if it's not, if it's like low on the battery or altogether, it will show you red lights here. So it's pretty good. It charges on the regular USB cable, I think it's a USB 2. Yeah, I think it's USB 2. So you can charge that. That's basically a charger. It's not a connector or anything like that. But here's the receiver that I was talking about. So it looks really small, like this. So I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but I will zoom it up a little bit. So it looks like this, just for a little bit closer. Just USB here, receiver, So usually this on the side, there is on the side here a light here, so if you connect it, usually it goes blue and connects whenever it tries to establish the connection. So usually it's pretty good, but like I said, with Mac computers it doesn't really go that native, because new Mac computers have new USB ports, USB-C, and this guy is not, it's a little bit big, right, for it. So you can actually, yeah, you can use it with the USB-C, with the dongle that you can connect and then plug it in, so it will work more nicely, but I usually use it with the native Bluetooth connection, and it works pretty well. But what I noticed, so on the other Mac operating system, so before Big Sur or Mojave, actually no, I'm sorry about that, before Big Sur, I never actually haven't tested it on Big Sur, but before, there you go, Catalina. So actually it took me a while. So before, so on that Catalina, so it has a little bit of problem reconnecting with the operating system, which is, I'm not sure if it's a bug on my headset, or it was like that, or it's just something with the headset. I tried to update firmware and tried to update the rest of the things there, like, as much as I could, but for some reason it has still problems with reconnecting. So the it sounds like it's stuttery. For example, if I turn on the computer and it tries to reconnect back, and turn on the headset right here, so it will do a stuttery connection. So for example, if I listen, it will stutter and not really go well with that. But overall, it's pretty good deal. So I'm not sure, but I remember it was about $600 on the market. So I don't remember from the top of my head, but on Amazon, I will link down below in the description where you can check those out. But overall, overall this headset I would give 4.8 out of 5, because of those a little bit stuttery thing that kind of annoying a little bit. Now, actually, I'll take that back. I would give it a little, I think, 4.5 because of that stuttery, because it came to the new operating system, and it's not really working well with the native Bluetooth connection. Instead of, you need to use that, and if you short on your USB-C ports on your Mac computer, that's going to be a little bit challenging. But you know, if you have docking station, that's a totally different ballgame, right? So overall, tested on the Windows as well. Not really. Well, there's another thing that's a Bluetooth connection that's a little bit strange there. It works, but I would prefer you guys just use the USB headset plug here connector. It works pretty good. So on the Windows computers, so which is, yeah, I have not tested it recently. I've been using Mac for most of the time, but overall I would say, yeah, it's a good purchase. So it's a good sound, has a good buzz and gain and all the rest of these things. So if you here to buy those, check those out, so you will not be disappointed. So that's my experience. So I like those, and yeah, they're pretty comfortable. So, and overall the range Bluetooth connection, I think it's just general for the rest of the, if you guys check out my Tozo headset, I will link that also on the YouTube tier, but this is the same length that you guys can expect those to work with the computer. So it's about 6 feet, I think, or 8 feet or something like that. So, but in general it's pretty good. So overall, I like this headset. This is better rather than Tozo. Tozo has its perks, so you can use one headset or two headsets separate, or two earpieces separately. But this one is a little bit strange. Well, it's good, but you cannot use those separately. So it will go and connect for both this. It will do output for both of these speakers here. So pretty good deal. Microphone works well. So I actually tested it with some of the gaming, and it was pretty good. So it was pretty good. So the connection is pretty nice, and people heard me well. So it was a little bit Twitch time, right? So overall, if you want to connect this headset, I know it's a little bit down the road, but If you want to connect this headset, you basically need to hold, so there's going to be a power button here nearby the mic. So there's a power button here. You can actually see here if I zoom it a little bit. So that power button here, so if you turn it on, so you can see those lights here, if you can see those, I'm not sure. But if you hold it up a little bit, it will tell you that it goes to pairing mode, and then they will also go and highlight here, so blue and red lighting here. So it will go to that mode, and then you can go on your Bluetooth, whatever device, phone or computer, and connect that one. So you'll see it, and it will be Plantronics. I think it's 600 model, and that's about it. So I actually, yeah, so that's about it. You got the charging plug here. So there's another button here, but I didn't really figure that one out, but you can do it yourself. So so overall, I like this headset. If you think about purchasing it, it's a good deal. A little bit expensive, $600, but I think overall they will serve you well. So they take a while to to break or whatever. So I actually still use my first thing that I got. So this is more of a present. That was actually a present as well, but those the one that I have, I still use it, and it's pretty good, and haven't been broken or anything, so I keep using. So my workaround, I just reconnect that headset, and the starter goes away. So overall, yeah, pretty good. Thumbs up for this video if you like it, or if you want to check it out, the headset, I'll link down below. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys took out some of the things and my experience on this video and on this headset. So thank you very much for being here. I appreciate if you guys like, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this video in the comments down below. But overall, if you guys like it, sub, and notification bell and everything, all that good stuff. So, and overall, thank you guys very much for being here, and I appreciate your time. See you guys later.